Morning, YouTube. Morning. You see the look on my face? I'm look fresh and clean and nice and smiling, shirt white, and today is my happy day. Today is the day that foreign workers, this is the call that everyone wanted to get. I finally received it, right? So, buttoning up my shirt. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet. We're going for a drive. You're gonna see me in my, So this is like the moment that all the drivers are waiting for, and it's finally time. It's time for me. So I'm sharing it with you guys. We are going out on the road today. We're doing it like it's Nike. And I need to get a camera personal because today's gonna be my day. So I don't need to have any cameras in my hand or nothing. I need to call Shanika. I need her here. Okay. Alright, cool. I'm going for my shoes. I'm getting ready. I'm going for my shoes, get my stuff together, and I'll be right back. Yeah. Yes, YouTube. So I'm ready to go. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm ready to go.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. Your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Follow your choices, done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid. never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
Yes, YouTube. So this is it. Basically, you know, we'll leave out of the house and we make my way into Halifax. And right now, I kind of, you know, pre-design and we look all over the place. I have a suspense. Although I'm not telling nobody what the mission is all about. But you know, anyway, in this building here, this building now we go to see the doctor. In time we come to them calling, them time, you know, all the way, everybody basically in Halifax, and at the time like this come up, this is how them go. So this is actually the process where everybody go through. So not just, you know, like everybody gets somebody different to deal with or whatever, at the same person, right through everybody, you know what I mean? So basically this now is, you know, the building is what we say 5991 and floor 7. You know, and then you go inside of the room here. 740 or 74, yeah. And basically you can see that, you see that right there, son? It's still answered up yet, you see that right there, son? Alright, pay feet, 150, you know what I mean? And, you know, we sit down inside of the place, I go easy. YouTube, we can't talk too loud. But, I'm not telling you what I'm doing, I'm not telling nobody nothing what I go on. You see me, I say? But it was well. Easy myself, you see me? I warn myself, man, it come in. Just be patient, no man, I don't warn myself, so just go and enjoy the views, man, and go on, you see me? Soon talk to him. Soon. Yeah, so basically this now is a paper then giveaway with information. You know what I mean? For the location. No address, no nothing. So it's like we're up on one of them TV show where actually I look for a building. You know what I mean? So we have to read them step by step, follow the you know, the words them, and basically just enjoy the you don't know, maybe the walk and the, you know oh God was that, you know, it look, you know, then could I easily give you an address, you know what I mean, and we just type the address if we have GPS and we just find the place where we go, but then truth is just give we by instructions, so you have to read it. So I don't know if this is a part of the test where they wonder if you can read or whatever. I don't know. But basically, this does, you have to read it and follow the instruction, and it carried the way you're supposed to really go and, you know, get everything else sorted out. You know what I mean? Yeah, so basically, you know, I'm just there in Halifax right now. You know, we are walking down the alley. And, you kind of windy outside, you know what I mean? Breeze that blow like North Cold. And, you know, we do it, you know, we walk and enjoy the view, carry my camera so we can show everybody what really going on, what Halifax is all about. You know what I mean? You know, this is a man I work on the building and all kind of things about. You know, that's how we do it. So basically, I'm with this. Tall rising building. Then it's a turn 2 blocks to Summer. Yeah, so you know, we just a walk, look on the high-rising buildings, apartments, and 2 blocks to Summer Street, then turn right. Where's Summer Street? Right is this. Right, I'm going straight. But anyway, you know, we use pedestrian crossing and do it, you know what I mean? Yeah, so actually I'm there on Summer Street right now. Actually I walk down towards the... Okay, so this is it. Basically, I'm on a mission. There's no address. There's only what do you call this? It's only direction. So we have to read from a direction thing to get where I'm going, right? So I'll know me not tell nobody what I'm doing. I'll know you know. See? So I'm on my way. I'm there Halifax right now. On a street, basically the street here called
hello.
Sure. Alright. She just distract me a while ago. I'm there. My hand get tired. Anyway. Alright. So I'm gonna walk. I have a couple more black leaf for walk, so you don't know where a par see me, you know. So well, let's go and enjoy the view and thing. We're in Halifax right now. But then which part is? Ruby Street. So what does I do it?
You're not on Ruby Street.
Okay, this is where Summer Street. Okay, on Summer Street, look at my sign again. Can you see that? Okay. On Summer Street, then turn right. Where is right? Oh, right is this direction. Oh, hold on, come, Sean. We couldn't be there close by a destination. You know what I mean? I follow the signs, follow the you know, the information I'm gonna get on a paper here. And you know, basically I walk all the way down to the end of this road. And we're gonna reach on the end of this road now. We're gonna turn left. You know what I mean? And we're gonna turn left on a street called Central Street or something like that. And you know, we just use up the camera, we just use up the footage, show all the walk go on, make it have an understanding of how the things stay. As I say, the process here and me alone I go through it. Everybody will go through that process here. These are the same routine, the same procedure. You know what I mean? Same exact thing, nothing no change. You know what I mean? So all of them places where I see right now, we're not going to see them as soon as, you know, somebody is going to take on the same mission. You know what I mean? So it's a enjoyable walk, you know what I mean? It's a walk where you can, you know, just look at some buildings, look at some places and behave like a tourist, you know, because a tourist movement, this, you know, basically, you know. Yeah, so you know, we soon reach to the end of the road, the end of this parking, and basically. See what I mean? We will follow all instructions because it depends on the paper. Same thing we just tell you, same thing on the paper right now. So we're in between the building them right now, we're supposed to turn right. After we pass in the middle of this building right here, so we're supposed to turn right. And we turn right now, we're supposed to enter the building we really want to reach. You know what I mean? So You know, if you follow the instruction right, we're not supposed to make no mistakes. So we're supposed to be on the right track. See that now? So we go straight. Basically, this is the building we want to reach inside. And this is the hospital. Halifax Hospital. See that now? This is the building we want to reach in. So basically, we give most of the clue already, so all of us smart enough to just pick out anything we go on right. So right now, you know what I mean? So I reach to the hospital, inside of it right now. So I go inside and, you know, see what next. Yeah, so basically I'm inside of the hospital now, and you don't know, carry my papers, them go out the window and thing, and give her all of the information which you need to get, you know what I mean? And you don't know, you have to pay $80 for one process, and then you have to spend another $50, I think. So $130 right at the window, right? So you can use a credit card or whatever you want to use, and you know, you get that out of the way, and you would that know. So them send you off to up on the next mission again. See everything up on the same piece of paper. So, you know, we have to walk through the hospital now to find the location where we're supposed to reach. You know what I mean? So, we're still up on the mission, still up on the outings. I look at the paper, set speed, and, you know, I reach where we're supposed to reach. So, you know, it lay out on the paper. It can't go wrong. Once you read everything and I follow the instruction, you will get there, you know what I mean? So, basically, that's go on for we. Then I give you. We can't really use the camera inside. We can't really use the camera inside of the building, so we turn it off. But if you notice up on my hand, you see plaster? We got the blood works. Yeah, I know I haven't a sweat all along now, you know. Everybody want to know what's going on, right? And all know I don't say nothing to nobody. I'm just there doing my thing up and down, and watch me going to the hospital. And watch me walk throughout the whole of Halifax. And watch me, you know, just a smile and a walk and a talk and a do all kind of thing. Hear what it is now. I'm going to tell you what it is in the next 3 minutes. No, 5. Actually, I go back at the first place that I was before. So, just, you know, enjoy the view, you know, leave some comment, tell me how I'm boring, you know, tell me how I should have talked a long time ago like something big. But you don't know, I'm soon telling them, man, sure, man. Oh, I saw a butterfly, one good artwork. Look here. Butterfly, black and white, no matter if it's black or white. Alright, this is it now. I'm going to tell you, reveal the secret to you now. I'm not going to reveal it as yet. Just 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Alright, cool. Alright, come. Alright, I'm outside the building and I like the sun. You know, I like the sun. Alright, here I go now. I'm go in my car and alright, I'm going to the car and then I'm going to the car and I'm going to talk to him. Alright? And then, you know, alright, you know, alright, I'm not keeping it hanging. I'm not keeping it hanging too long. I'm not hanging too long. Alright, here I go now. I'm going by the lawyer. Okay? We're going to go by the lawyer. Remember in my first video, I told you guys that I'll be, you know, linking up with the lawyer, you know, have him, you know, talk, you know, have a little small talk with him so that you guys could know what's up, what's going on, who am I dealing with, who I was talking about, you know, the works, the whole thing, you know what I mean? So, we're going, alright? Okay, YouTube. Now this is it, right? I know I was supposed to take you guys to the lawyer, right? That part didn't work out. We're gonna do that the next day because when I went there, he was busy, and I want this to look professional. You know, I don't want to do just a one pass by link and move on. I want details. I want you guys to know what's going on. You know what to expect, and then I have some questions that I want to throw in so that you could answer that you guys could understand, right? Now, and I made a detour. And Shanika decides she wants to take me out on my day. Now, you know me as a Jamaican. I have to overdo it. So I order 2 plates of food. 2 plates of food. Shanika pay for your bill, you know. And it's so expensive. I order 2 plates of food. You see me I say? I know she over there, so with a smile on her face, she catch me, but me not carry her out. So you know,
I have your card. You don't remember that part?
Okay.
I plan to use it. I plan to
Okay.
use it.
Me never had a think about that part there. But anyway, me never tell you what my day was all about. You just see me up and down all over the place, east, west, north and south. As soon as I reach home, I go tell you. Honestly speaking, I go tell you. You just have to sit down and get it off of me a little bit, and then make you know what go on. You see me I say?
Why don't you tell them, babe?
No, I'm not gonna tell them yet.
Can you tell them about your lovely girlfriend that you love so much and that you kiss all the time?
Oh yeah, okay, there is Shanika, everyone. There is Shanika. I'm not sure what's gonna go post this.
No.
I could have say you could have deal. Anyway, she's the one. She's drinking wine, ladies.
Denval. You know, this is, something he's been waiting for a while, and it's not like something huge, but it's just a step in the right direction. And he's a really hard worker person. For those of you who don't know him, he puts his mind to something and he goes for it, and he usually accomplishes it. So I'm very proud to have him in my life as a partner, as a teacher, as a best friend. He's really, we have our ups and downs, but he's gonna give it to you, and if you want to know the right way to do something, trust me, he's gonna tell you how to get there. So just keep watching. Really good.
Thank you. Thank you. You mean so much to me. Anyway, as soon as the food them come, I'm going to show you what I go on, because I don't think I joke thing. I have 2 plates my order. I don't know if I can eat it.
Why don't you take one to go for when we're leaving? You're going to eat 2 of the 2 food?
2 plates. I did tell you I have 2 plates of food my order, right? Look what I go on here, so no.
Really, babe? Can we take a picture?
Anyway, I gotta start the journey. You know what I mean? So here I go. I'm soon tuning back. I'm not gonna hold the phone and do this a little more. Big up. Life is sweet.
Mm.